Today, we will be baking cupcakes.
Add 1 1/2 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/3 teaspoon salt. In another bowl, whisk 1/2 cup of butter. Crack 2 large eggs. One-third cup of milk. 1 tablespoon of coffee, which is optional.
Let's mix everything together.
Prepare your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Prepare your cupcakes for the oven. Pour your cupcake batter into cupcake molds.
Place your cupcakes in the oven. You have now finished making chocolate cupcakes. I will show you how to make icing in my next video.
Until next time.